Hello, everyone. I just wanted to introduce myself to you so that you know a little bit about the person who's going to be teaching you on PPID for the next few weeks. So, my name is Kirsten Whitehead. I've been a dietitian for a very long time, and I've also been a dietetic educator for a very long time. So, I thought it might be good to just give you a bit of background on where I'm coming from. So, I live in Nottingham, so our first few sessions are going to be online. But I am going to be coming down to London to meet with you, and I really look forward to that. So, my clinical background is extremely varied. So, I have done a lot of hospital work, I've done a lot of community work, I have worked with adults and with pediatrics, and I have specialised in oncology, HIV, weight management, and lifestyle modification for the prevention of coronary heart disease. So, quite a lot of different things over the years. I also did a year as a clinical audit officer. Um, and then went on to do a master's in public health. So I've done quite a lot of public health related work as well. But my main passion has been communication skills for many years. And although I taught lots of other things when I was working at the University of Nottingham, where I taught on the dietetics course for 18 years, taught health promotion, but I also taught communication skills. And that's what my PhD was also in. So it's an area that I've taught, it's an area I've researched, it's an area I'm still working on, and have developed a training package to support people in developing their communication skills. So it really is my passion now, and perhaps what my main focus is on the teaching that I do at the moment. So I'm really looking forward to seeing you, really looking forward to spending time with you and hoping to create some of the passion for good communication in you that I have in myself. So I look forward to catching up with you really soon.